traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, I definitely think that we are going down for like this expanding move. I believe on the weekly time frame it's a little clearer, but 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and then 5 down for like a flat type pattern, like an expanding flat, before we do end up going back up like we were originally thinking. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely still am looking at this as the end of either a wave A or a wave 1. Definitely could be a wave A. I think this is 3 waves down, especially with the 3 waves in the middle right there. And then 1, 2, 3 waves up. And now we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So this is what I call a 3-3-5 pattern, which Elliot Wave would usually refer to as a regular flat. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Very obvious that we're in a wave 3 right now. I think that the wave 1 ends right here. This is a wave 2, and we are definitely in a wave 3, I believe. Most likely target for a wave 3 is the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected off the top of wave 2. We are only a little bit beyond the 78% Fibonacci extension, so that means that we have a lot and lots of downside potential to get us to that 161.8, which is actually all the way down to around the 1.0257 area. So this downtrend is likely to continue for at least several weeks or more. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I believe that the wave 1 ends here. I believe that this is the wave 2. I think this is likely the 1 of wave 3, and this is a 2 of wave 3, and we're in a wave 3 of wave 3. Wave 3 is supposed to be the strongest wave of a trend. So when you're in a wave 3 of 3, you definitely do not want to be trying to counter trend trade it. You should definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So this little line right here that I have marked out is the structure level that would tell me that the last series of lower lows, lower highs is over. So for me, any move I see to the upside is exciting because I'm not going to try to go long, but I'm going to try to go short at every single move to the upside, because if we're really in a wave 3 of wave 3 like it looks like we are at the higher time frames, then every move we get to the upside should only be a crescent to this last wave down. Just like this move up right here was only a crescent to this, and this move up right here was only a crescent to this. So every move I see to the upside, I'm going to put my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive down. I'm going to look for 3 waves up. I'm going to look for impulsive down. And I'm going to look for more entries to go short, potentially for the continuation of this downtrend. At least until we get some sort of a breaker structure to the upside, as of right now, preferably on like the 4 hour time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.